What do Warren Buffett, Kylie Jenner, and Bernard Arnault, the guy behind Louis Vuitton, all have in common? They all played one major move on the chessboard, and it's what Warren Buffett calls the ideal business. This is when you source a product for a penny and mark it up for $1. For example, Louis Vuitton bags cost them $200 to make and they sell them for $2,000, and people still buy them. This leaves Louis Vuitton with extremely high profit margins and allows them to keep most of the money they make. In 2020, I started doing something very similar, except I sold digital products that cost me $0, so every cent I earned was pure profit. It didn't make me a billionaire, but it did allow me to escape the rat race and build the life of my dreams. Here's how I did it and how you could do it too. Create a new Instagram account, recreate these catchy videos, go to Digistory24 and find a top-selling product, post the affiliate link in your Instagram bio. Now anytime someone sees your content, clicks your link, and buys the product, you get paid. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes some work, but once you've got it going, it can make thousands of dollars for you every single month on autopilot. If you'd like to learn how some of my students and I are making 5+ figures per month doing this, click the link in my bio and learn my system.